with trim over method, we've been able to convert people from vinyl, and we've been able to convert them to a much better product. And when they see it, they're over the moon. You run all your siding long, and then you're going to score it and snap it, and then that trim is going to go right over top of it. So it reduces the time dramatically for siding installation. Your installers are going to end up loving it because the trim over method, it's much faster for the installation of the trim, and it's going to eliminate a lot of that caulking that nobody likes to do.
We've had jobs that probably would have taken 2 weeks, basically get shortened down to a week, week and a half, which is, just increased our basic crew capacity. The product itself was just fantastic to work with. It was super high quality.
James Hardie came in and they helped us find the crews, learn about the material, how to sell it, and ultimately that just became a really nice relationship for us.
We've done over 50 projects this year of just James Hardie, and then our siding business has quadrupled essentially on all sides year over year. It's been phenomenal.